Hello to all. Today we will continue chapter first of Introduction to Statistics. We have already learned about statistics in plural sense, that is statistical data. Now we will try to learn about statistics in singular sense. Statistics in singular sense is also referred as statistical method. In statistical method, there are five stages of inquiry. These stages are very important for any systematic scientific study. For any given problem that we want to solve logically, these five stages are very necessary. Let us study these five stages one by one. The first stage of statistical method is collection of data. This is the foundation step of any statistical inquiry. Data should be gathered with maximum care so that it fulfills the basic purpose of our study. In fact, these data are building blocks of our study. In fact, if these are collected in a correct manner, then only we can hope for any valid conclusion. Otherwise, it is a futile exercise. Our second step is organization of data. In this step, collected data is organized by the process of editing. In editing, unwanted data and misleading data is removed with utmost care. In fact, this process is also sometimes referred as refinement of data. This is done to increase the accuracy of our statistical study. Next step in statistical study or statistics in singular sense is presentation of data. For a meaningful and logical study, data is now presented in a systematic manner. This step is very important as it facilitates better understanding of our data. Presentation is done with the help of graphs, diagrams, frequency, polygon, etc. Fourth step is analysis of data. This is the most important part of the whole exercise. Here, various statistical tools are used to understand the nature of data. Some elementary tools used are measures of central tendencies like mean, median, mode, or other tools like correlation and dispersion. Fifth and the last step of statistics in singular sense is interpretation of data. This step involves drawing of conclusions on the basis of the earlier stages. On the basis of interpretation, decisions can be taken. Thank you.